Alright, I have wood in hand, so eventually if they attack me, but I don't think, I am nearing myself to them, that's why they are nervous. I'll show you. I guess this one is alone, otherwise they are together. Now it's very quiet because I am there. I show you, hey! I would say they are in the valley, just near. Once again, actually I'm afraid if one of them has rabies and it's done with me, must go to doctor. That's why I have wood on hand. Be honest, I am afraid to go there. Alright, I wouldn't say it would be dangerous, I just leave the wood